Hey, what's up? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, and we have a fun one today. We're gonna do a 2-color water-based print on cardboard boxes. We got a whole stack of boxes. We're gonna use our ROQ automatic screen printing press to do these prints. Stick with us, should be a fun one, starting right now.
On the auto press, you want to tape over where it's gonna do the exact same print in the same location every time. It's gonna want to wear into the emulsion. So we tape it close, and on here where the ink sits, we're gonna be printing water-based for the boxes, so we don't want to the ink won't eat through the tape. It will eat through the emulsion eventually. So just a little bit of extra tape goes a long way. Like if we were printing on the manual press, probably not.
Printing this cool design by Bruce Gossett, longtime artist in the Northern California area. A lot of cool art. Yeah, check it out. Right now he's registering each color to one palette that has a center line down the center of the palette. And we're gonna get it close to registration, meaning the two colors are coming down in the same spot on the platen. And then we're gonna test it, and we're gonna make any adjustments we need to.
Right now I'm setting the print stroke on this ROQ automatic press. You can tell it where to start flooding and where to start printing. So for our full design, we want to pretty much go the full screen. If you had a short image, it would be a shorter flood and print. And you just use these levers right here. That's where it starts printing. And then where that stops is where it stops printing and then starts flooding again. Water-based spot black. Your CCI, you get it on our website, norcalsps.com.
You're an artist. Manual mode, test print.
Our red. Who else is doing 2-color boxes? Who else is putting that effort in? I don't see it.
I'm not looking. I'd love to receive a box of stuff
The out of registration.
that had this on it. And we're printing! Thanks for watching the video. We think that printing your own boxes is a great way to build your own brand and look professional. And hopefully you got some value from the video that you can use on your own projects. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.